warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
And you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. I hope all of you are doing well, stay healthy, and always keep your distance wherever you are. Okay, before we start to listen, let us pray together to have blessing from the God. Prayer, begin. Finish. Because all of you are complete now, we will do an absence. Raras Cahyaningrum,
Present, Miss.
Dia Ayu Rivitasari,
Present, Miss.
Laili Gita,
Present, Miss.
Nurul Suci Wardana,
Present, Miss.
Vivit Eka.
Present, Miss.
Okay, good. Everyone has entered into this Zoom meeting. Although we meet via online because of the corona pandemic, we must keep our spirit to learning the new knowledge, okay? Okay, last week we have learned about limit of algebra function and trigonometry functionality. Do you have any question about that lesson or our assignment?
Nothing, Miss.
Okay, I hope it means you have understand. Now, is anyone know what we'll learn today?
I am Miss.
Yes, repeat.
Today we will learn about derivative on trigonometric function.
Great. So, at this meeting, we are going to study derivative on trigonometric function. The learning objective to be achieved is, after watching video on derivative on trigonometric function and learning slide, students are able to identify and interpret their work result, can understand, apply, and analyze knowledge factual, conceptual, procedural based on their curiosity. Students are expected to understand the concept of the derivative function of trigonometry and its properties, and solve contextual problems related to the derivative of trigonometric function. So, our basic competencies today is applying principle hereditary to simple trigonometric function and solving problems related to the derivative of trigonometric function. For this meeting, we will discuss about derivative on trigonometric function. I will explain a little about this material, and next you will discuss the question that I will give in the breakout room with your group. And then you will present the result of your discussion. I have created 3 groups. I have created 2 groups. The first group is Raras, Laili, and Suci, and the second group is Vivit and Dia. You can gather with your group on breakout Zoom soon. Do you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Okay, I will share screen the learning slide today. Okay, wait. Could you see the learning slide? Okay, before we start this lesson, I want to ask who know the basic trigonometric function that we have learned on last week.
I Miss.
Yes, Raras.
The basic trigonometric function include the following 6 functions: sin x, cos x, tan x, cottan x, secant x, dan cosecant x.
Great, Raras. Okay, now you can see in this learning slide differentiation of trigonometric function. Transcendental function. Kinds of transcendental function. First, logarithmic and exponential function. Second, trigonometric and inverse trigonometric function. Third, hyperbolic and inverse hyperbolic function. Not each part of function above is an inverse to each other. And the trigonometric function have identities. First, reciprocal identities. There is 4, you can see here. And second, sum and difference of 2 angles. And third, double angle formulas. And fourth, squared identities. The differentiation formula, derivative of trigonometric function. For the differentiation formula of the trigonometric function, all you need to know is the differentiation formula of sin u and cos u using these formulas, and the differentiation formula of the algebraic function. The differentiation formula of the remaining function, that is tan u, cot u, sec u, and cosecant u, may be obtained. Derivative of sin u, where u equal fx. Okay, from that learning slide, I want to ask who can explain the concept of derivative on trigonometric function.
I want to explain the concept, Miss.
Yes, please, Rusuji.
The roller coaster and the Ferris wheel are one of the things that implement a concept of distance. The speed of a train when crossing a curve can be calculated.
Great, Suchi. Great, Suchi. Everyone, I hope write on your paper the important thing from this lesson for material on your discussion soon. Now let's see the example of derivative of trigonometric function and how to solve them. Please pay attention.
Cosine x. And the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. Now, look for a pattern as I write these trigonometric functions. The derivative of tangent is secant squared, and the derivative of cotangent, the cofunction of tangent.
Okay, we have seen the example of the derivative on trigonometric function. Then I will show you the similar problem about that. Then I have the similar problem. You can discuss to solve this problem with your group partner, and I will invite you to breakout Zoom. And there is, for example, the first and second example is for the group 1, and the example 5 and example 6 is for the second group. Is there any question?
Could we solve this problem with searching on Google?
Of course you can, but don't forget to still discuss with your group. Do you understand?
Yes, Miss. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, I hope you can understand about this material. And now, I will make a breakout room. Please discuss with your group for 20 minutes.
One, y equals cos 2x minus 2 sin x. Solution using the linear properties of the derivative, the chain rule, and the double angle formula we obtain. Next.
Example 2. Y equal tan x plus 1 divided by 3 tan square 3x. Solution, the derivative of this function is y accent x tan x plus 1 divided by 3 times power of 3x accent equal to tan x accent plus 1 divided by 3 tan power of 3x accent.
Then what can we simplify using the trigonometric identity? First, 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x equals 1 divided by cos square x.
Okay, example 5, y equal to sin x divided 1 plus cos x. Solution by the Count rule.
Example 6, y equals cos square sin x. Solution, applying the power rule and the chain rule we obtain.
Right now, every single of group are invited to the result of the discussion. And the first presentation is the first group. Please, the first group to present.
Okay, we from group 1 and to presentation. Example number 1, y equals cos 2x minus 2 sin x. Solution using the linear properties of the derivative, the chain rule, and the double angle formula, we obtain y accent x equals cos 2x minus 2 sin x accent equals cos 2x accent minus 2 sin x accent equals minus sin 2x times 2x accent minus 2 sin x accent equals minus 2 sin 2x minus 2 cos x equals minus 4 6x cos x minus 2 cos x equals minus 2 cos x times 2 sin x plus 1.
Example 2. Y equal to tan x plus a third tan power of 3x. Solution, the derivative of this function is y accent x tan x plus a third tan power 3x accent tan x accent plus a third tan power of 3x accent equal to 1 per cos square x plus a third 3 tan square x tan x accent equal to 1 per cos square x plus tan square x 1 per cos square x equal to tan plus tan square x per cos square x.
And the numerator can be simplified using the trigonometry identity. 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x equal to 1 divided by cos square x. Therefore, y accent x equal to 1 plus tan square x divided by cos square x equal to 1 divided by cos square x divided by cos square x equal to 1 divided by cos 4 over x equal to sec 4 over x.
Any question?
I miss. How we can simplify the numerator 1 plus square x?
The numerator can be simplified using the trigonometry identity. 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x equal to 1 divided by cos square x.
Thank you, Suci.
Welcome.
Okay, the answer is correct. Good job, Lail, Suci, and Raras. Okay, next to the last group. Vivit and Dia. Please.
Example 5. Y equal to sin x divided 1 plus cos x. Solution by the Countien rule. Y accent equal to sin x divide 1 plus cos x accent equal to cos x times 1 plus cos x min sin x times min sin x divided 1 plus cos x square and equal to sin x plus cos square x plus sin square x divide 1 plus cos x square equal to 1 plus cos x divided 1 plus cos x square equal to 1 divided 1 plus cos x.
Example 6. Y equals cos square sin x. Solution. Applying the power rule and the chain rule, we obtain y accent x equals cos square sin x accent equals to cos sin x times cos sin x accent equals 2 cosine x times min sin x times sin x accent equals min cos sin x times sin x times cos x. The last expression can be simplified by the double angle formula. 2 cosine x times sin x equals sin times 2 sin x. Consequently, the derivative is y accent x equals min sin times 2 sin x times cos x.
Any question?
No.
Okay, the answer is correct. Thank you, Dia and Vivian. I think our lesson today is enough. Before we close our study, we want to conclude today's lesson.
Hi, Miss.
Yes, Laili?
The basic trigonometry function include the following 6 functions: sin, cosine, tangen, cotangen, secant, and cosecant. All these functions are continuous and differentiable in their domains. Below we make a list of derivatives for this function.
Good, Lail. Okay, I have you a homework. I have posted on Google Classroom. After this class, you can see it. Before we end this meeting, let us pray together and listen from the God. Prayers begin. Okay, finish. Thank you for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.